This tutorial will get you started using Jacket Search. Jacket Search is a convenient way to look for journal and magazine articles plus books in Defiance's and OhioLink's catalogs, all with a single search, similar to Google's. It's a good place to start your research when you aren't sure which individual database to use, since it searches multiple databases. We'll start at the Pilgrim Library's homepage, library.defiance.edu. This page defaults to the Jacket Search tab, as circled here. Let's say you have to write a paper on sugar addiction for a health and phys ed class. We'll enter sugar addiction in the search box and click on Search. If you tried to do this from off campus, at this point you would have been asked which library you are registered with. Since I'm recording while on campus, I can't show you that here. Select Defiance from the list. Then enter your name and the barcode from your Defiance College ID card. You will get 2 hours of access to the database. Jacket Search retrieves multiple types of resources. Look at the icons on the left. Here's a book that's owned by Wright State University. You could request this using this button here. View our Borrowing from OhioLink tutorial for more information. The second one is an academic journal. Click on PDF full text to retrieve. You can then download or print from these icons in the bar at the top. We'll click Result List in the purple bar to go back. Next are some videos. And if we scroll further down, we'll see an ebook. You'd click here to pull up the ebook. View our ebook tutorial for more information. Once again, we'll click on Result List in the purple bar to go back. Numbers 6 and 7 are academic journals. To pull up the full text on number 6, you'd click here where it says OhioLink EJC. The screen will then jump to the Electronic Journal Center database where you'll find the article. We'll now get out of the EJC tab and go back to our list. You can narrow your original 2,400 plus hits in several ways. In this left column under Limit To, you can click on Full Text to limit the search to the items that are only available in full text. If your assignment requires only academic journals, further down in this left side there's a box for academic journals. Clicking that will get rid of everything that is not an academic journal. An important limiter is by date. Often professors will say your resources have to be recent ones. To limit by date, click and slide this bar to the right. We'll try limiting to the last 10 years. Jacket Search sorts your hits by relevance, but you could change this in this drop-down menu to force it to put the newest ones on top. If you need further help, there are tutorials on refining your search, plus the tutorials we've already mentioned. We'll go back to the library's homepage tab, click on Go To, and then Library Tutorials. If you still need help with your research, on the library's homepage is this Ask Us chat feature. Or on the library's homepage, you can click on Go To, Staff Contact, and then there are individual phone numbers and emails for library staff. Please contact us if you need help. Thank you for viewing our Jacket Search tutorial.